Introducing the new BYD Great Tang, a new full-size electric SUV that represents the most advanced model in BYD's growing electric vehicle lineup. Designed as a flagship three-row SUV, the vehicle combines long driving range, high-performance electric motors, and next-generation fast-charging technology. The model is built on BYD's latest EV platform and uses the company's second-generation blade battery, which improves both energy density and battery safety. In terms of size, the BYD Great Tang measures approximately 5.3 meters in length, with a wheelbase of about 3.13 meters, positioning it firmly in the large luxury SUV segment. Performance specifications place the Great Tang among the most powerful electric cars in its class. The rear-wheel drive version produces around 300 kilowatts of power, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive variant delivers up to approximately 585 kilowatts, or about 784 horsepower. This configuration allows the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in roughly 3.9 seconds, despite its large size. Range is one of the vehicle's strongest highlights. The BYD Great Tang is expected to offer up to around 950 kilometers of driving range, made possible by the high-capacity blade battery and optimized energy efficiency. The SUV is also built on a new high-voltage electrical architecture designed to support ultra-fast charging. Under optimal conditions, the battery can charge from 10% to nearly full capacity in about 10 minutes, significantly reducing downtime during long trips. With its combination of powerful electric motors, long-range battery technology, and ultra-fast charging capability, the BYD Great Tang sets a new technical benchmark for large electric SUVs and demonstrates BYD's continued push toward high-performance, next-generation EV platforms.